Hey guys, welcome to another video with an airdrop opportunity you can't miss. Today I'll be sharing the Optim AI Airdrop, which you can mine using both a browser extension and Telegram. Optim AI is a decentralized network that combines a blockchain, DePIN, and community data mining to enhance AI learning. Basically, it collects and verifies data in real time, helping AI improve and adapt faster with high quality data sets. So as you can see right now, you can use the browser extension or mine through Telegram. In the future, they have planned to launch a desktop node and mobile apps. If you visit their X handle, as you can see, they have around 141k followers and are actively building a strong community, which is a positive sign for a good airdrop. If you want the latest updates on crypto and airdrops, then you can join our Telegram channel. You can also check out our blog where we publish the latest crypto news and tips. All the links are in the description, so check them out. Let's move on how you can join this airdrop. First, visit the page. I'll provide the joining link in the description, so check it out. Simply fill out the form. Click I agree and next. Now you need to save or download this recovery course, which you will need to recover your account. Then click next. Now you need to click back to login. Enter your email and password. And click access my account. So we have successfully landed on our dashboard. As you can see, there are lots of options here. So basically, first click download notes. Select the Chrome extension. As you can see, it has around 20k users. Click add to Chrome, then add extension. Now open the extension. As you can see, I will got 5 points. Now click go back to dashboard. And click missions and rewards. Here you will need to complete all these tasks. For example, let's click connect X, authorize it, and click verify now. As you can see, I have earned 100 points. So one by one you need to complete all these tasks. Finally, you can share your referral link with your friends to earn more points. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.